Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to apply for a Barclays credit card in 2025. Whether you're building your credit history or eyeing those sweet rewards, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and stress-free. Let's get started. First off, before you jump in, check if you meet the eligibility requirements. You'll typically need to be at least 18 years old, have a good credit score, aim for 670 or higher, and a stable income to prove you can handle repayments. This helps avoid rejection and saves time. Step 1. Head to the official Barclays website or download their app. It's the most secure way to apply and ensures you're dealing with the real deal. Once there, browse the credit card options for 2025. They've got everything from cashback to travel rewards, so pick one that fits your lifestyle. Step 2. Click on Apply Now for your chosen card. You'll need to enter personal details like your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure everything is accurate to speed up the process. Step 3. Provide your financial information, including your annual income, employment status, and any existing debts. Barclays uses this to assess your application, so be honest. Falsifying info could lead to denial. Step 4. Review your application thoroughly. Double-check for errors, read the terms and conditions, and understand any fees or interest rates. Once you're confident, hit Submit. After submission, Barclays will review your application, which usually takes 7 to 10 business days. If approved, you'll get a confirmation email and your card in the mail. Keep an eye on your inbox and monitor your application status online. A few quick tips. Apply during off-peak times for faster processing, and only apply if you need the card to maintain a healthy credit profile. Remember, responsible use is key to building good credit. There you have it. That's how to apply for a Barclays credit card in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.